Every summer, Europe becomes a battlefield, not of soldiers, but of machines. The clock is ticking, the weather's changing, and every minute counts. Across thousands of acres, these harvesters race against time, massive engines screaming, blades spinning, pulling in hundreds of tons an hour. These are the machines that never sleep, never stop, and never surrender to the season. This is the story of the 10 European harvesters that rule the fields, where power meets precision, and only the strongest survive the harvest. Number 1. Claas Lexion 8900. When it comes to harvesters, one name towers above the rest, Claas, and their masterpiece, the Lexion 8900, sits at the top of the throne. Built in Germany, it's more than a combine. It's a precision machine designed to maximize every grain that passes through its system. The Lexion 8900 is powered by a Mercedes-Benz 790 horsepower engine, making it one of the most powerful harvesters in the world. It features the revolutionary APS SynFlow hybrid threshing system, a dual rotor and drum setup that combines high-capacity threshing with minimal grain loss. This means farmers can harvest faster, cleaner, and with unmatched efficiency, even in tough crops like wheat or barley. Its Terra Track system, a half-track suspension, allows the massive machine to glide gently across soft fields, reducing soil compaction while maintaining traction and stability. Inside, the cab feels more like a spaceship than a tractor. Claas EIMOS automatic system uses artificial intelligence to adjust settings in real time, optimizing speed, rotor speed, and cleaning intensity automatically. Farmers can harvest all day and all night, with comfort ensured by the panoramic Claas vision cab, touchscreen controls, and automated steering, guided by GPS and yield mapping systems. The Lexion 8900 is not just a machine, it's a symbol of German engineering perfection. Built for high yields, maximum precision, and long days in Europe's largest fields, it continues to dominate harvest seasons from France to Ukraine. If harvesters were warriors, the Lexion 8900 would be the general leading every other combine into battle. Number 2. New Holland CR10.90. Revelation. When New Holland set out to build the most productive harvester in the world, they didn't just aim high, they broke a world record. The New Holland CR10.90 Revelation, built in Zedelgem, Belgium, is officially recognized by Guinness World Records as the most productive combine harvester, having harvested 797.656 tons of wheat in just 8 hours. That's not just impressive, it's staggering. Under its sleek yellow and blue body lies a twin rotor system, a technology pioneered by New Holland that uses 2 massive rotors to thresh and separate crops more gently and efficiently than traditional systems. This means higher quality grain and less loss, even at extreme harvesting speeds. Powering this giant is a 16-liter FPT Cursor 16 engine, delivering 700+ horsepower, managed through advanced sensors and adaptive systems that automatically balance power and fuel efficiency based on crop density and field conditions. The CR10.90 Revelation also shines when it comes to operator comfort and automation. The Harvest Suite Ultra Cab provides 360-degree visibility with touchscreen controls, climate comfort, and New Holland's IntelliSense system, an onboard brain that constantly adjusts concaves, rotor speeds, and fan settings for optimal output. It's also equipped with SmartTrax rubber tracks, which distribute weight evenly and keep soil health intact, a must for European farmers working on soft, rain-heavy terrain. What makes this harvester special is how it balances brute power with intelligence. It's a fusion of Belgian craftsmanship and Italian engineering that continues to break barriers every season. When the New Holland CR10.90 rolls into a field, it's not just harvesting, it's rewriting what's possible. Number 3. John Deere 790i. When people hear John Deere, they think America, but the S790i is European to its core. Built in Zweibrücken, Germany, this harvester blends American muscle with German precision. The 790i represents the peak of John Deere's S-Series line, featuring the tri-stream rotor system, which ensures smoother threshing, higher grain quality, and fewer losses across all crop types. Its massive 13.5-liter John Deere PowerTech engine pushes over 625 horsepower, allowing it to eat through crops at incredible speeds. But what makes the S790i truly special is its intelligence. Deere's Harvest Smart system automatically controls the ground speed to maintain peak efficiency, while Combine Advisor uses cameras and sensors to adjust settings for the best grain quality and minimal loss. It literally thinks for the operator, a glimpse of the fully automated harvests of the future. Inside, comfort and visibility are unmatched. The Command View 3 cab gives operators a panoramic field of vision and touchscreen access to yield data, maps, and diagnostics. Deere's JD Link connectivity allows farmers to monitor and control their combine remotely, syncing with other machines and farm management systems in real time. Its active terrain adjustment ensures consistent performance on Europe's hilly landscapes, from the slopes of Austria to the rolling fields of the UK. The S790i isn't just about raw power, it's about precision. It proves why John Deere remains one of the most trusted names in agriculture. Every movement, every adjustment, every grain, optimized, automated, and efficient. If harvesters could wear crowns, the John Deere S790i would wear one made of pure steel and software. Number 4. Fendt IDEAL 10T. The Fendt IDEAL 10T isn't just another combine, it's a statement. Built by AGSCO in Germany, the IDEAL series is a clean break from traditional harvester design, focusing on simplicity, automation, and pure power. Under its sleek black body lies a MAN 16.2-liter engine, producing up to 790 horsepower, the most powerful in Fendt's lineup. The IDEAL 10T is a twin-rotor combine featuring dual helix threshing rotors, engineered to handle massive volumes of grain without compromise. This allows farmers to harvest quickly, efficiently, and with exceptional grain protection. But the real magic happens in its intelligent systems. Fendt's IDEAL harvest time automation uses sensors and cameras to monitor grain flow, adjusting rotor speeds, concaves, and cleaning fans in real time. It optimizes the harvest continuously with minimal operator input. Then there's comfort and control. The Vision Cab is one of the quietest in the industry, offering panoramic visibility, touchscreen controls, and seamless GPS steering. The joystick-based operation makes it feel more like flying a plane than driving a combine. Fendt also introduced the IDEAL Drive, a steering system that removes the traditional steering wheel altogether. Instead, operators control the machine using a joystick on the left armrest, improving visibility and reducing fatigue. The IDEAL balance system automatically distributes grain evenly across sieves, even on slopes, ensuring clean grain and minimal loss. Meanwhile, the parallel leveling system keeps the machine stable and efficient on uneven ground. The IDEAL 10T represents everything that modern European farming stands for: smart, efficient, and technologically advanced. In a world obsessed with horsepower, Fendt built a harvester that's not just strong, it's smart. And that's what truly rules the fields today. Number 5. Deutz-Fahr C9306 TS. When it comes to reliability and efficiency, few brands command the respect of Deutz-Fahr, and the C9306 TS proves exactly why. This German-built combine is designed for medium to large-scale farms, combining advanced engineering with practical simplicity. It's powered by a 7.8-liter Deutz TCD engine, producing around 395 horsepower, but don't be fooled by the lower figure. This harvester's efficiency allows it to outperform many higher-powered rivals. At its core, the C9306 TS features the Deutz Massey crop system, which uses a large-diameter threshing drum and turbo separator to handle massive throughput with minimal grain damage. Its cleaning shoe design provides excellent grain separation, even under heavy crop loads or damp European conditions. The harvester's auto-control leveling system ensures perfect ground tracking, keeping the header stable and maintaining optimal cutting height even on uneven terrain. Inside, the Commander Cab Vir gives operators a quiet, ergonomic workspace with clear displays, climate control, and electronic controls for every function. While other brands chase bigger engines and higher horsepower, Deutz-Fahr focuses on refinement and mechanical reliability, building a combine that can perform consistently year after year. Its compact straw management system also gives farmers full control over residue handling from chopping to spreading, essential for sustainable European agriculture. The C9306 may not shout with power like others, but in terms of reliability, simplicity, and low operating costs, it stands tall as one of Europe's most trusted machines. This is the kind of harvester that keeps working long after others have gone back to the barn. Number 6. Massey Ferguson IDEAL 90. While Fendt and Massey Ferguson share parent company AGCO, the IDEAL 90 brings its own unique twist to the IDEAL lineup. Manufactured in Germany, the 9T is powered by a MAN 15.2-liter engine with up to 647 horsepower and features the same revolutionary dual-helix rotor system seen on the IDEAL 10T. What sets the Massey Ferguson version apart is its balance between cutting-edge tech and simplicity. Farmers love the ease of use, durability, and strong after-sales support that Massey Ferguson is known for. Like its Fendt sibling, it uses IDEAL harvest automation, constantly adjusting in real time to optimize grain quality and throughput. The AutoDock system automatically connects headers hydraulically and electrically in seconds, saving time and effort in the field. Comfort is another strong point. The Vision Cab offers excellent visibility, low noise, and a suspension seat that makes long harvest days manageable. The IDEAL 9T's grain tank capacity up to 17,100 liters and unload rate of 210 liters per second make it one of the fastest unloaders in Europe. Massey Ferguson has always been about making technology accessible. The IDEAL 9T delivers high-end performance without overcomplicating operation. A perfect fit for European farmers who value efficiency over showmanship. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's unstoppable. The 9T doesn't roar, it hums with quiet confidence as it rules the harvest. Number 7. Case IH Axial-Flow 9250. Case IH has long been a powerhouse in agriculture, and the Axial-Flow 9250 continues that legacy with unmatched simplicity and power. Built in Europe for large-scale farming, the 9250 runs on a FPT 15.9-liter engine, pushing 634 horsepower. It uses the legendary Axial-Flow single-rotor technology, which Case introduced decades ago, a system so effective that competitors are still trying to catch up. The single-rotor design ensures gentle threshing, minimal grain damage, and fewer moving parts, meaning less maintenance and more uptime. It's the perfect blend of engineering efficiency and mechanical durability. The cross-flow cleaning system and self-leveling sieves deliver exceptional cleaning, even on steep European hillsides. The cab, meanwhile, is pure comfort, spacious, quiet, and loaded with intuitive controls and a touchscreen display that manages everything from header speed to loss monitoring. Case IH's AFS Harvest Command automation gives operators the option to let the combine make decisions automatically, adjusting settings to match crop conditions on the fly. The result? Perfect grain, less fuel, and faster harvests. The 9250 is also compatible with 35 to 45-foot headers, meaning it can handle massive fields efficiently. Its pivoting unloading auger can unload at up to 159 liters per second, keeping operations smooth and continuous. In the world of harvesters, the Case IH Axial-Flow 9250 isn't flashy, it's formidable. Its simplicity is its strength, and its reliability makes it one of the few machines trusted to run non-stop during Europe's short harvest window. Number 8. Laverda M410. Before AGCO took full control of its operations, Laverda was an Italian icon, a name synonymous with reliability and craftsmanship. The Laverda M410, one of the brand's most beloved models, carried that legacy proudly. With a 7.4-liter AGCO power engine, producing around 360 horsepower, It wasn't the biggest or the flashiest, but it was tough as nails and perfectly suited for Europe's diverse terrain. The M410's multi-crop separator MCS PUS system offered excellent threshing in a variety of crops from wheat to maize while maintaining low fuel consumption. Its Skyline cab provided panoramic visibility and simplified controls, making it easy to operate even for less experienced users. One of the biggest advantages was its compact size and maneuverability. European farms often feature smaller fields and narrow lanes, and the Laverda was designed with this in mind. It could work efficiently in tight spaces where bigger harvesters would struggle. Though production of Laverda-branded combines eventually transitioned under AgCO's Fendt and Massey Ferguson IDEAL line, the M410 remains a symbol of Italian agricultural excellence, proof that sometimes smart design beats raw horsepower. Even today, you'll find M410s faithfully working across the Mediterranean countryside, a testament to a brand that built machines for farmers first, not headlines. Number 9. Sampo Rosenlew Comia C22. In the rugged, unpredictable climate of Finland, harvesting is no small feat. That's where Sampo Rosenlew, a Finnish manufacturer, carved its reputation. Their Comia C22 is a compact yet capable harvester designed for small to medium farms, especially in regions where weather and terrain are challenging. Powered by a reliable AGCO Power 4-cylinder engine, producing about 175 horsepower, the C22 may not be massive, but it's nimble, efficient, and incredibly durable. Its simple mechanical design ensures easy maintenance, a major advantage for farmers working far from service centers. The single-drum threshing system and large concave area ensure excellent grain separation and low losses, even in damp or uneven fields. The Comia C22 features a comfortable cabin with modern digital controls, air conditioning, and wide visibility. The lightweight construction allows it to move easily across soft or uneven ground, making it perfect for smaller European farms and hilly regions like Norway or Scotland. Sampo Rosenlew has long been a hidden gem of European machinery, not the biggest, but among the most dependable. The C22 continues that legacy, proving that when it comes to performance, it's not about size, it's about smart design. For farmers in Northern Europe, the Comia C22 isn't just a tool, it's a trusted partner that never quits, no matter how harsh the conditions. Number 10. Fortschritt E514. Long before modern giants ruled the fields, one machine symbolized harvest power in Eastern Europe, the Fortschritt E514. Built in the former East Germany during the 1970s and 1980s, the E514 became a backbone of agricultural production across the Eastern Bloc. Its design was simple, rugged, and serviceable, built to work long hours with minimal downtime. Powered by a Perkins 6-cylinder diesel engine, it wasn't the fastest or most comfortable, but it could run for decades with basic maintenance. Its four-walker straw system and large grain tank made it efficient enough for its time, while its mechanical simplicity allowed easy repairs, often right in the field. The E514 became famous for one thing: survivability. Even decades later, hundreds are still in use across Eastern Europe, from Poland to Romania. Farmers praise its resilience, low running costs, and straightforward mechanics. It might not have GPS, automation, or touchscreen controls, but it has something modern machines sometimes lack: soul. The Fortschritt E514 isn't just a combine, it's a survivor from another era, a reminder of when machines were built to last generations, not model years. While modern harvesters rule today's fields, the E514 will always rule the hearts of those who grew up with its unmistakable rumble echoing across golden fields. Thanks for watching, and if you love the power of machines that feed the world, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep your eyes on the next legend.